Rain is one of the most powerful and fascinating forces in nature. It's more than just water falling from the sky. It's a vital part of Earth's life cycle. Every drop has a story. It begins with the sun heating up bodies of water, causing evaporation. The water vapor rises into the atmosphere, cools, and condenses into clouds. When those clouds become too heavy to hold their load, the droplets fall back to the earth as rain. This never-ending cycle is what keeps rivers flowing, crops growing, and life itself sustained. Rain takes many forms. It can be a gentle drizzle that cools the air and refreshes the soil, or it can come down in heavy torrents, flooding streets and overwhelming cities. But whether it's soft or severe, rain serves a purpose. It replenishes groundwater, nourishes plants, fills lakes and rivers, and helps regulate Earth's temperature. Without rain, droughts would become more severe. Agriculture would suffer and entire ecosystems would collapse. Rain is also a force that shapes the land. Over time, falling rain erodes mountains, carves valleys, and feeds into streams that shape entire landscapes. In urban areas, it reminds us of the importance of drainage and infrastructure. When rainwater cannot be absorbed by the ground due to concrete and asphalt, it leads to flooding and waterlogging. This is why cities are built with gutters, culverts, and storm water systems to guide rain safely away from roads and homes. Beyond science and infrastructure, rain has emotional and symbolic meanings. It's a sound that brings calm, a feeling that cleanses, and a symbol often tied to renewal and growth. For farmers, rain means the hope of harvest. For children, it means puddles to jump in. For poets and lovers, it means introspection, reflection, and peace. Rain has inspired songs, stories, and traditions across the world. It reminds us of our connection to the earth and to one another. But not all rain is welcome. Too much of it can bring disaster. Torrential rains lead to landslides, flash floods, and destruction. It can displace families, damage farmlands, and shut down entire cities. Climate change is making extreme rainfall more frequent in many regions. This means we must learn to respect rain not just as a blessing, but as a force that must be managed wisely through planning, preparation, and environmental care. Still, with all its complexity, rain is essential. It carries life. It cools the planet. It feeds the cycle that sustains every living thing. When you stand in the rain, you're standing in something ancient and miraculous. It fell on our ancestors, and it will fall on future generations. It's the Earth's heartbeat, pulsing through clouds and falling gently to remind us everything flows. Everything returns and everything grows again.